कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
We are trying to sort of get a app-based system where everybody can go on the app of their choice, and they will all be having one particular fare for the trip, wherein the driver is benefited. I can give you a copy of the thing being propagated so that you are able to publicize it properly. It has already, I will be getting the draft publication done as well. My director and the ADTs have met people from different areas. The common driver, I will say, except a few people who are the leaders are not agreeing. Most of them are agreeable. So let us give it a try, no?
So yesterday they म्हणता अजूनही मीटिंग आहे आणि पुढे जावपाक
No, there will be more consultation, and I am putting it for draft publication, this entire scheme, so that I can solicit public opinion. I have, meanwhile, my director has had consultation with Goa Chamber of Commerce, has had consultation with GSIA, has had consultation with other industries association, has had consultation with some of the industrial estates, and everyone is saying that you have to have app-based taxis, wherein we have data, we know how many taxis are there, how, at what rate they operate, and when we are going to give the full benefit to the driver, what is the problem? Rather, the earnings will increase.